there would be a read aloud program, spell out program, in which you read aloud with me, no matters what. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Today, repeat after me. Repeat after me.
मैं
Como.
मैं como
Como is a very beautiful phrase for A2, but we apply in TEF. Repeat after me. Como. Now,
मैं
over
como
there is not comment, because with the help of this, we'll do, the phonetics also. So over here, pen down please. En sound is O in French. En.
en sound is
O
on.
in French. O. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
En sound is O in French. And see, it is not comment and command. No. One
Como.
thing you have to understand, because T would be silent at the end.
Okay.
If your word is ending from T, it would be silent. Yes, there would be some exception cases, right? So repeat after me. Como.
Como.
Literally meaning of como is how.
Okay.
Literally como is how. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
It is not mace, no. Ending of
Okay.
S would be silent in French. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
मैं, como,
मैं
मैं is but. The literally meaning of मैं is but. Repeat after me. मैं,
मैं
como,
como
como. Como is how. Harvinder ma'am, hi, how are you? Hello, Harvinder ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, 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 it's good.
Okay.
So, we are doing today. Today we pick the portion of read aloud, spell out, and today it is just you to repeat after me. Let's move ourselves in French language first. Clear? So repeat after me. Obviously, we'll do ABCD pattern, but there's something which I want to improve your pronunciation. We can see something in French, like what is French? Clear? So French is all about, we have phonetics, we have sounds, we have to read aloud, a bit things we can come to know. Whatever I will say in English today, you have to speak in French. Clear? In the very first day? Yes.
okay.
So we have first phrase which we use, because what is TEF? Let me explain to you. In TEF, we have two sections, section A and section B, right? In your oral, I'm saying, speaking program. मैं como phrase we used in section B, and वो लगाना ही लगाना है. You have to apply, and you to apply this phrase. मैं como, because there would be a questionnaire. Over there, you have to convince, क्योंकि क्या होता है सेक्शन बी में, आपको ना अपनी जूरी को कन्विंस करना होता है सेक्शन बी में. टेफ जब हम करते हैं, टेफ में आपका जो एग्जामिनर है, you have to convince your examiner. Now, for example, if I will say, don't use mobile phone, then examiner will say, no, I have to use because I have some work. I cannot think if I will not use my mobile phone. So you will say it is not good for the health. So you convince your examiner not to use so much of the mobile phone. So this is something like convincing. But how I can convince? Convincing के we have templates, questionnaire, questions, but हम उसको gradually pick करेंगे with the module of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1. Is it clear to you? So for this, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, हम एक लैंग्वेज को पिक करेंगे, उसको मूव करेंगे. क्लियर? अब रिपीट आफ्टर मी. मैं como
मैं como
मैं como.
Literally meaning of मैं is but, and como is how. But how? Say Claire. So repeat after me. मैं como.
मैं como.
मैं como.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now I'm asking to you, is it clear to you? टीम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है और आपको समझ आएगा. Because मैं como, but I'm asking to you, is it? What is it then? Whenever I have a question, how to read question. Question is question in French only. But yes, you have to read a language because that's a phonetics. Repeat after me. Question. Repeat after me. Question.
Question.
Why?
Question.
Because question is not question is question. We write in Question only in French. But the pronunciation is different. Repeat after me. Question.
Question.
Read aloud, please. Question.
Question.
मैं como. Repeat after me. मैं como.
मैं como.
मैं como.
मैं
मैं
como.
como.
We have a verb which we use. All these. देखो मैं वो बहुत सिंपल वोकैब उठा रहा हूँ जो हम सेक्शन बी में यूज करते हैं. Question यूज करेंगे ही करेंगे. We use important. It is very important for you. बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में. मुझे कन्वेंस करना है आपको. मैं बोलूंगा it is very important for you. Blah blah blah. So I use a vocab important. Important in French also we write important, right? But we have a different sound. Team, repeat after me. I am sound is देखो ये मैं gradually एक पैटर्न लेके चल रहा हूँ. Important is a pattern for B1, A2, but sound we have A1 pattern. Very one day pattern because we have to understand the phonetics. Clear? But we are doing phonetics only while using the vocabulary of TEF. So important, okay. Team, repeat after me. I am sound is Repeat after me.
It is same to en.
No. It is
Oh.
En was on.
for angur. But
Okay.
em sound, como. En sound is on for on. Is it clear that bindi clear?
On. Okay.
So team, these are the sounds. I am sound is eh, uh. Now team, over here we have an sound. You have seen we have an sound. So team, an sound and en sound is same, which is on. Is it clear to you, my team? Because in order to understand the language, first we have to read. Like how to read the language. If I will say important is important only in French, it is an English language, no? Say Claire. And team, ending of T would be silent. Like in como, ending of T would be silent. Is it clear to you, all of you, please? So en sound and an sound is O in French. So that is como, me como, but how? Repeat out, me como.
मैं como.
If you will apply over here, important. Repeat after me, important.
Importo.
Important से तदीर quoi? What is to say? अब मैं बताऊंगा what is say तदीर. Important is important. Question is question. Repeat after me. Question. Repeat after me. Question. Important.
Importo.
मैं como.
मैं como.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
मैं como. Important. Question. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Repeat after me. मैं como.
मैं como.
Questão
Questão.
importante.
Importo.
If you remember my first lecture, जब आपने विजिट किया था, did I explain to you E? How many type of E we have in
Four. Four.
So we have 4 type of E in French. You know, it is like in Hindi language. E, बड़ी E, छोटी E हम करते थे बचपन में. Clear? Team language, French, we relate with Hindi language. Yes. I will explain to you going forward how. Now, for example, yes, obviously, I'm saying obviously, जो चीज टीम में यूज कर रहा हूँ इंग्लिश में, उसको मैं फ्रेंच में आज कन्वर्ट करूंगा आपके साथ, एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक आफ्टर मी. दैट इज हाउ यू विल पिक योर फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. व्हाट आई सेड ऑब्वियसली, नाउ डोंट से ऑब्वियसली. अब आपको उसको फ्रेंच में बोलना है टीम. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? Now team, we have E sound is first E sound, that is a in French. Whenever there is no symbol, right, that sound is a in French. Is it clear to you team?
Yeah.
Now team, we have a symbol going from bottom to top, but it is going towards right hand side. When there is a symbol, it is going from bottom to top, but it is going towards right hand side. That sound is A in French. आप देख रहे हो, बचपन में बच्चों को अगर आपको हिंदी सिखानी हो तो आप A यूज करते हो स्टार्टिंग में. ए है तो हम उसी पैटर्न पे आ गए, बिल्कुल बिगिनर पैटर्न पे. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो मेरा एविदमो है, दिस इज लिटरली अ टफ वोकैब फॉर अ B1 मॉड्यूल. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. तो यहाँ पे हम इस टाइप से ग्रेजुअली हर चीज पिक करेंगे. आप लिखोगे इसको आप B1 टेफ. अब व्हाट इज दैट? E sound is A. Tell me team. E sound is A. Every the En sound is O. Because first of all, language. What is language? Language में सबसे पहले reading सिखा रहे हैं, because reading is important ना, how to read. If I don't know what is evident, evident, I cannot speak even the language, right? So this is every E sound is what? Simple E sound is a, right? So that is evidamo, and T would be silent. Repeat after me. Evidamo. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Evidamo.
Evidamo.
Literally meaning of evidamo is obviously. अब मैंने literally use किया. Literally is very important, क्योंकि जब आप किसी को convince कर रहे हो, आप बोलते हो obviously you have to do this. बोलते हो आप. Evidamo. Team, very important. The moment we'll do these type of exercises, at least कुछ sense आपको मिलता है language का first day में ही. So repeat after me. मैं como questão evidamo. अब देखो, मैंने एक वर्ब एक लैंग्वेज यूज करती है लिटरली, अभी यूज किया था लिटरली. इट मीन्स मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि लैंग्वेज जब मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ, सो दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वोकैबुलरीज अगर मैं कन्विंस कर रहा हूँ किसी को. क्लियर? लिटरली बोलो मेरे साथ आप. लिटेरलमो. Why they? Because E sound is A over here. Lite. देखो इंग्लिश में क्या है टीम, यूरोपियंस में इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं आती है, उसका एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है, यू नो. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इंग्लिश में हमारा ई है, राइट? साउंड इज ई. क्लियर टीम? बट अगर मैं BED बोलूंगा तो ये ए में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, बेड. बेड. तो ये बीड क्यों नहीं जब ई साउंड ई है? तो वो इसमें बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं. व्हाट इज दिस गोइंग ऑन? क्योंकि इन्होंने यूरोपियन लैंग्वेज में क्या है, अगर ई का साउंड ए है, इंग्लिश में हम ई है, बट हमने कभी ई का साउंड से ज्यादा हमने किया ही नहीं. That's because it becoming like your language. You know English very well. But कहीं ना कहीं सेंस तो खराब है ना, यहाँ पे बीड होना चाहिए हिसाब से तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन में. Why it's bad? But लैंग्वेज फ्रेंच में क्या है, अगर यहाँ पे ई अ है तो अ ही रहेगा. अगर ए जा रहा है तो उसका साउंड सिंबल दिखाएंगे हम लोग, जैसे एवी दमो. अदरवाइज हाउ आई विल कम टू नो मुझे यहाँ ए लगाना है, यहाँ पे ए लगाना है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? यहाँ पे ए है और यहाँ पे साउंड अ आ रहा है. एवी द अ. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? ली ते रा ल ल ल ल ई साउंड इज अ आ रहा है बिकॉज when there is no symbol that sound is a. Is it clear to you team? Literalmo, repeat after me. Literalmo.
Literalmo.
Evidamo is a very important vocab for B1, but we use in TEF. Literalmo is literally. Is it clear to you? Team, we have one more sound of E. Bottom to top, it is going towards left hand side. Bottom to top, right hand side, the sound is A. Bottom to top, left hand side, the sound is A. The sound is A. Is it clear to you? And team, there is one more sound. We have a cap like that. This is also A, but we have to stretch. A. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So repeat after me, please. E sound is A.
O.
Whenever we have E, it is going from bottom top, right hand side. That sound is A.
A.
Bottom to top, left hand side, the sound is A.
A.
And if we have a cap like that, we have A.
A.
Is it clear to you?
Good.
Normally when we do A1, ये चीजें हम 6-7 days में करते हैं क्योंकि हम उसमें उसका एक अलग पैटर्न चलता है. क्लियर? लेकिन टीम, हम यहाँ पे A1 के साथ साथ we are picking like how to speak because PEF को हमें पिक करना है. अब मैं कह रहा हूँ पिक करना है. जो चीज आज हम बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में टीम, उसको हम फ्रेंच में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. सेशन बिल्कुल रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूं मैं, रिकॉर्डिंग पे है एंड यू विल गेट अ रिकॉर्डिंग. यू हैव टू वॉच दिस सेशन अगेन एंड अगेन. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? Remarse. Yes, I understand. In a very beginner stage, sometimes it is hard to capture, but you have to do this. Repeat after me. Remarse.
Remarse.
Why Remarse? Why not Remarser? Why Remarse? Repeat after me.
Remarse.
Is it clear to you? Repeat after me. Because ER sound. Team, repeat after me. ER sound is A in French. ER sound is A in French. ER sound. Team,
Remarse.
yes. ये हमारा सेंस है लैंग्वेज का. ER sound is A and A sound is R in French. Pen down, please. ER sound is A. Is it clear to you? And A sound is A. So that is Ramasse. Sorry, if you're typing error. Ramasse. Ramasse is my verb to pick. Repeat after me. To pick up. Repeat after me. Ramasse.
Remarse.
अच्छा, आप IELTS करते हो जब, whenever you do IELTS, what you do? You do synonyms. What you do? टीम, आप करते हो synonyms करते हो? Whenever you do IELTS, you do lot, vocabularies for reading, for all these things, because you have to mingle yourself with a lot of vocabularies, synonym, antonyms, right? अब repeat after me. हर एक पैटर्न हम करेंगे यहाँ पे डे फर्स्ट से. Ramasse, repeat after me. Ramasse,
Ramase.
Ramase.
का vocab है for TEF, क्योंकि अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, इट इज नॉट अबाउट TEF, इट इज अबाउट जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो आपको पिक करना है। पिक करना है तो पिक करना है, बहुत यूज करता हूँ, वेरी कॉमन वर्ड, अब इतना कॉमन वर्ड है, इसको पिक करना है, ग्रैब करना है। रिपीट आफ्टर मी, रमासे,
Ramase.
Ramase.
मैं करूँ ग्रैब करो, ग्रैब करो, सेजीर, टीम इसको यूज करो लैंग्वेज को प्लीज, सेजीर, रिपीट आफ्टर मी माय टीम, सेजीर,
Sezi.
Shazir.
रिपीट आफ्टर मी, सेजीर, बोलो
Sezi.
Shazir.
I understand that's a very new vocabulary for you, लेकिन ये literally Sezir belongs to my B2 vocab. It's not B1, that's a beyond हल्का सा Sezir. Repeat after me. Reprendre.
Sezi.
Repeat after me. Reprendre. Repeat after me.
Reprendre.
Reprendre.
Rapon.
Ramasser. Saisir. Reprendre is to retake.
Is to retake.
Retake. Now, team listen to me. मैंने यहाँ पे रमासे बोला पिक करना, क्लियर। सेजीर बोला ग्रैस्प करो, इसको आप ग्रैब करो। रफ्रॉन्ट किया कि इसको रीटेक करो। डू यू थिंक कहीं ना कहीं सेम सेंस निकल रहा है लैंग्वेज का, ये पिक, ग्रैब एंड रीटेक? टेल मी टीम, पिक,
Same.
ग्रैब
Grab.
एंड रीटेक, टेल मी, कहीं ना कहीं सेम सेंस निकल रहा है इंग्लिश में? टेल मी टीम।
Yes.
तो अगर मैं इंग्लिश आपको बोल रहा हूँ पिक दिस, ग्रैब दिस, रीटेक दिस, ये क्या हुआ? आइल्स हुआ टीम?
Synonym.
Synonym. So now you have to understand the same in French. Repeat after me. Ramasser. बोलो टीम।
Ramase.
Saisir. Repeat after me.
Shazir.
Saisir.
Sezi.
Shazir.
देखो, I understand ये एक vocabularies हैं which will help you. देखो हम वो vocab कर रहे हैं जो आप daily use करोगे, टेफ में यूज करोगे जो आप, हम टेफ को बियॉन्ड नहीं लेके चल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे टेफ को डे 1 से इंसर्ट करेंगे, क्लियर? सो रिपीट आफ्टर मी, रमासे, बोलो
Ramase.
सेजीर, रिपीट आफ्टर
Shazir.
सेजीर,
Sezi.
Shazir.
reprendre,
Reprendre.
reprendre, why reprendre? Because e sound is
Oh.
Oh.
en sound is
On.
Oh.
e sound is
Oh.
Oh.
reprendre.
Reprendre.
Repeat after me, reprendre.
Reprendre.
Capture. Repeat after me, team. Capture. कहीं ना कहीं सेंस दे, capture.
Capture.
You know, capture. 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 Repeat after me.
Capture.
Why
Capture.
capture is ear sound is a in French? Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
अब repeat after me. The first vocab, मैं como, but how?
मैं
मैं
como.
como.
How?
But how?
Yes, बोल मेरे साथ आप, मैं como.
मैं
मैं
como.
como.
Read, देखो सबसे पहले day 1 में मैं आपको read aloud in from the day 1. My day 1 pattern is read aloud. My second day pattern is speak aloud. तो कुछ phrases मैं करवाता हूँ आपको second day में, but उससे पहले I want that you to read aloud with me. Évidemment. Repeat after me. Évidemment. Littéralement. Repeat after me.
Littéralement.
Littéralement.
Ramasser.
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 Saisir.
Saisir.
Reprendre.
Reprendre.
Capturer.
Capturer.
Capturer, not capture. No, no. A sound is a. Cap. यहाँ पे टी त है, फ्रेंच में टी त त। Capture.
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 Yes. अब मैंने क्या बोला? Yes. Literally, sound of OUI is V. Pen down, please. Phonetics.
Capture. Capture meaning to capture.
Yes. Clear. Literally, sound of OUI is V. and literally meaning of we is yes.
Hmm.
Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
Repeat
It's not
after
clear. OUL. Could you please repeat?
OUI sound is we in French.
OUL sound is V.
OUI, that's I, right?
Oh,
OUI sound is we in French. Because in French we have a sound. OUI sound is we
V.
in French and literally meaning of we is yes.
Yes.
अगर मुझे yes लिखना हो French में, I will write OUI. But how I will pronounce? That is
Oui.
we. Is it clear to your team? Why? We. Is it clear to your team?
Yeah.
Yes. Oui.
No. No is no only. N-O-N. No. Phonetics कर रहे हैं ना? O-N sound is again O in French. सबसे पहले first of all we are doing phonetics. Whenever I will do phonetics, I have to add some words. Is it clear to you?
Oui.
Is it clear to your team? So team,
Pronunciation for no.
no,
And
yes. Yes,
no.
because ON sound is O. So team, AN sound is O,
Hmm.
EN sound is O, and ON sound is O. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
ONANEN. Oh.
Yes. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
Yeah.
Clear? Up team, you have to add one thing. Add. So read on karo please. Ajute. Repeat after me.
Azute.
Ajute.
Ajute.
Repeat please. Ajute.
Ajute.
Azute.
Repeat after me. Ajute.
Ajute.
Azute.
Repeat the language please because hi today read aloud. Bolo ajute.
Ajute.
Azute.
Repeat team ajute.
Azute.
Ajute.
हम बोलते हैं addition, add in English, add. Repeat after me. Literally meaning of ajute is to add. But what is the synonym of ajute? Repeat after me. Addizione. Up team, we have T-I-O-N sound. Pen down, please. Over here, we have a sound T-I-O-N. Team, literally sound of T-I-O-N is sion. आपको sounds learn नहीं करना है. Please don't learn the sounds. T-I-O-N is sion, sion. No. I will give you lot of vocabularies. We'll do a lot of practice in the session and automatically you will come to know. So T-I-O-N sound is sion.
Sion.
Sion. Repeat after me. Sion.
Sion.
Addizione. Ear sound is A. Team. Ear sound is A. Addizione. Repeat after me.
Additione.
Addizione.
Addizione, say the dirqua, say what it is your addition. Addizione. Repeat after me. Addizione and
Addizione.
ajute.
Ajute.
You came to know synonym. One we have
Azute.
take family synonym. Pick, grab family synonym. Whenever you want to capture, grab, take, pick. So we have two families over here. One is add family and one is pick family. So repeat after me. Ramase.
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 Please.
Ramase.
Ramase.
Sezir. Repeat.
Sazir.
Sezir.
Sazir.
Sazir.
Reprendre.
Sazir.
Repeat.
Reprendre.
Reprendre.
Capturer.
Capture.
Capture.
Ajouter.
Ajute.
Azute.
Addizione. Repeat after.
Additione.
Addizione.
Addizione.
Additione.
Repeat after me encore. अब मैं करूं repeat again. Again, repeat after me. Encore. Why encore, team? En sound is
On.
on. E sound is What
Uh.
I'm telling to you in English, I'm just giving you the vocabulary so that at least you come to the pattern. So encore. Repeat after me.
Encore.
Encore.
Literally meaning of encore is again, still.
Okay.
Encore, still, again. Is it clear to you, team?
Mm.
Now repeat, please. Ashute,
Ajute.
ashute.
Ajute.
Aloud, because today we have read aloud program only. Ashute,
Ajute.
te adicione.
Adicione.
Understand? These are the vocabularies which will only relate your B1 and B2. Major vocab which we are using, but encore is my A1 vocab. Still, encore, again,
Encore.
encore, encore. Repeat after.
Encore.
What is
Encore.
complete? Complete. So, see, over here we are doing how to read the language first. The moment you're learning to read the language, you come to know the word meaning also. Now, E sound is A in A. Right inside where direction, team, tell me. Complete. Repeat after me. Complete.
Complete.
Complete is to complete.
Completed.
Complete.
Very important. Complete. So you
Completed.
follow me, team. Follow me, please. Whatever I'm saying, you have to follow me. Repeat after me. Evidamo,
Evidemo.
Evidamo.
literalmo,
Literalmo.
ajute,
Azute.
Ajute.
adicione,
Adicione.
Adicione.
ramasse,
Ramasse.
Ramasse.
exis,
Cesir.
Saisir.
reprendre,
Reprendre.
Reprendre.
capture.
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 Clear? What I said, you have to follow me. You have to follow me. So team, we have phonetics. Over here, UI sound. UI sound is V in French. Literally sound of UI is V. UI sound is V in French.
V.
Pen down, please. You say in English V for van. V for van. Literally meaning of, sorry, the sound of UI is V. So that is what? How to read this? Swivel. Repeat after
Swivel.
me. Swivel. Repeat after me.
Swivel.
Literally meaning of swivel is to follow. Very important phrase. Swivel is your vocab which we use for Liklo, please. Section B, TEF, oral. Very important vocabularies. Oral, parole. What is parole? Repeat after me. Parole.
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 Parole is your whatever you are telling. That is your parole. Whatever you're telling, you are telling A, B, C, D, the master says zero front. This is your whatever you're saying, that is your parole. Speaker. Is it clear to your team? Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Parole, very important vocab. ये जो parole का सेंस है टीम, हमें B1 में सिखाते हैं हम. आपको मैं सिखाऊंगा, मैं खाली vocab दे रहा हूँ आपको मैं कि what is parole. Speaker. आप किसी को represent कर रहे हो. Parole. You have to use your parole. It means, for example, I'm here in this session. I'm giving you my parole. I'm a speaker over here and you're a listener. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Parole. Is it clear to your team? Repeat after me, team. Parole.
Parole.
अब जितनी vocab, count the vocab please. How many vocab we have, team?
Sixteen.
Team, parole we called as speech. Repeat after me.
Speech.
Discourse, very important. Team, discourse. Repeat after me. Discourse. Repeat after me, please.
Discourse.
Discourse.
Discourse
Discourse.
and parole is one and the same thing. Parole is
Hmm.
whatever you're saying, you know, you say parole, your words. Discourse, we call it, literally meaning of discourse is to speech. Your words is in speech only.
Hmm.
Team, देखो, parole we call as words. Your, you know, whatever you're saying, there is parole. And literally meaning of discourse is to speech. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Clear? So these are the words which you have to understand. Understand. Team, how to read the language, please. Now, for example, there's a word en. Now, en sound is o in French. Read the first.
Hmm.
तो सबसे पहले लैंग्वेज में रीडिंग आनी चाहिए ना. Say Claire, how I can understand the language and I don't know how to read the language. Say Claire, over here we are doing read, vocab, which synonyms. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
En sound is on in French, so that is comprendre.
Comprendre.
In the very first day, we cover 20 vocabularies because we will not do so much of heavy in the pattern. The pattern should be very easy and easy to understand. It is not I will give you 50 vocab and it is very hard to recollect. No. We only work for 20 vocabularies very first day because you have to practice also. That's a new language for you, right? So gradually we'll pick the pattern in terms of speaking and all these things. Clear? सेकेंड डे से टीम हम लोग थिएटर शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज सेकेंड डे पे हम लोग लैंग्वेज को बोलना सीखते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. comprendre.
Comprendre.
Comprehend.
Comprendre, literally meaning of comprendre is to understand. Clear? Clear, team?
Yes.
Okay. Team, one thing you have to understand. One thing. What to say one? A1 pattern, very basic pattern. What to say? Very basic pattern. अब हम थोड़ा सा इजी पैटर्न पे आते हैं. Now repeat after me. Sound.
Oh.
Yes, why I use one, number one? Because UN sound is me
Oh.
The literally meaning of is one.
One.
Sounds. सबसे पहले सी team, we are doing phonetics. At least you can read the language. I understand there's a lot of phonetics gathered over here, but yes, session is under recording. Watch those sessions again and again and again. If you're driving, open those sessions. Say Claire, is it clear to you?
Oh.
The
The.
literally meaning of the is number two, but why it's not, why it's the? Because EUX sound is a team. I'm giving you the, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि phonetics heavy हो रही है, मुझे stop कर देना. Session heavy मत करना. Okay? Because आपको practice भी करना है. Session heavy मत करना. EUX sound is a, the literally meaning of the is number two. Is it clear to your team?
Is one.
Yes, is number one. Is it clear to you?
Clear.
The,
The.
because in counting, we have lot of phonetics. Literally meaning of OI sound is wa. Yes. OI sound is wa. Va. OI sound is va.
Wow.
And as explained to you, ending of S would be silent.
Silent.
That is throa.
Truma.
Repeat after me. Throa is not throi, thrui. No. Throa. Throa is number 3. So
Throa.
repeat after me. The throa quatre.
So please repeat this phonetic for throa.
Throa. OI sound is literally literalmo. बोलो मेरे साथ आप literalmo. क्योंकि अब हम
Literalmo.
already वो language कर चुके हैं literally का literalmo. Don't use English now. Clear? Literalmo. We
Literal.
have OI sound is wa. Repeat after me.
Wa.
Literalmo.
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 OI sound is wa. Say
Wa.
clear. Wa. 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 Say clear. Wa. So क्या होगा ये?
Wa.
Truva. Truva.
Truma.
Truva is number
Trua.
3. And ending of S would be silent. हम ये टीम क्यों कर रहे हैं फोनेटिक्स? ग्रेजुअली हम क्यों वो कैप कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि सेकंड डे पे हम लोग प्रेजेंट टेंस को बोलना सीखते हैं. हमारे पास वोकैबुलरीज होती है. इट इज जस्ट आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. क्लियर टीम? सो थ्रूआ. एंड फिर हम फर्स्ट सेकंड डे में क्या करते हैं? हम प्रेजेंट टेंस का थिएटर करते हैं कि कॉन्वर्सेशन चलती है. से क्लियर? क्योंकि आप ग्रेजुअली हर चीज पिक करोगे यहाँ पे. ओके, सो बोलो थ्रूआ. थ्रूआ.
Throa.
Quatre. Repeat after me. Quatre. Quatre is
Quatre.
number 4. Repeat after me. The trois quatre. Repeat after me.
Trua.
Throa. Quatre.
Quatre.
Team heavy तो नहीं हो रही vocabularies, tell me. But मुझे I want this has to be tips in. Tomorrow I will ask you a lot of things. The same with the help of these pattern. Tell me heavy तो नहीं हो रहा, इतना digest होगा और
Sufficient है इतना मेरे को लगता.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Now what you need to do is listen to me. I'm going to share the recording in your WhatsApp. Clear? Link आएगा आपको. Team, please, if you're driving, you're eating, doing anything, I'm not saying you to open French videos. मैं como, बोलो मैं como, बोलो मैं como.
मैं como.
But how?
But
But
how?
how?
I cannot say. It is just I'm saying you to open my first session जो आप मेरे साथ कर रहे हो. If you're driving, open this session. If you are eating, if you're sleeping, sitting simple free, open this session, please. क्योंकि जितना माइंड में आपका सेशन जाएगा, it will help you, because I don't want you to learn the phonetics. No, I'm telling you my personal experience when I was student. Phonetics learn मत करना, please. Practice करना हर एक vocab का. I should they, okay, ear is a. Don't use like that, ear is a, ear is a. No. हम बहुत सारा vocab करेंगे अभी, तो बहुत सारी चीजें करेंगे. It will help you gradually. Clear? And कभी भी heavy मत होने देना session. आराम आराम से करेंगे. It will gradually will pick the pattern. क्योंकि already एक intensive program है, और intensive program में ये चीजें आप कभी नहीं करते हो 1 महीने तक भी, लेकिन हम gradually इसको pick करेंगे. Clear team? अब आपको करना क्या है? इसको ग्रेजुअली पिक करना है. तो मैं ग्रेजुअली रमास से बोलूंगा आपको मैं. इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम? सो कुछ इस वजह से आपको लैंग्वेज पिक करना है. रमास से, सेजीर. अब बार बार यूज करो लैंग्वेज को पकड़ो, तो क्या बोलूंगा? सेजीर ला लॉन्ग. ला लॉन्ग. लॉन्ग इज योर लैंग्वेज. लॉन्ग. लॉन्ग. एन इज ऑन. लॉन्ग. Repeat after me. Long. Long. La long. Capture la long. Is it clear to bolo team?
Long.
Come up with your enthusiasm. Ramase long.
Ramase
La long. मैं la long क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? because ला we have a article of the, but अभी हम नहीं करेंगे आर्टिकल क्योंकि हमारा कल का पैटर्न है, अभी हैवी ना हो आपको ज्यादा ना, ठीक है। बेसिकली ला जो है हमारा द आर्टिकल है, हमें कैप्चर द लैंग्वेज, capture la long team, is it clear to you?
Clear.
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो paragraph, what I can do is I will share the recording and we can meet tomorrow at same time, okay team?
Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
practice this because अब practice बोल रहा हूँ टीम, जो भी हम करेंगे इंग्लिश में उसको हम फ्रेंच में करेंगे। ये हमारा 2-3 डेज का प्रोग्राम चलता है, प्लस हम इसको सेकंड डे पे प्रेजेंटेशन बोलना सीखते हैं। प्रातिके, बोलो टीम, प्रातिके। प्रातिके is to practice, प्रातिके।
Pratike.
Clear team? Okay, प्रातिके ध्युर. What is ध्युर? बोलो टीम, प्रातिके ध्युर। Repeat after me, प्रातिके ध्युर। टीम बोलो।
Pratike.
Pratike.
ध्युर is literally meaning of ध्युर is to hard. HARD. Practice hard. So जो भी मैं टीम आप साथ बोल रहा हूँ, हम उसको फ्रेंच में कन्वर्ट करेंगे छोटा छोटा, प्लस प्रेजेंट टेंस कल सिखाऊंगा आपको मैं ग्रामर का, सो दैट वी कैन पिक द पैटर्न। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? पिक द पैटर्न बोल रहा हूँ, रमा से जी रप फ्रॉम द काप्ट्यूरे टीम, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? ओके चलो, हैवी नहीं करते, विल मीट यू टुमारो एट सेम टाइम, ओके बाय।
सर इसमें एक वर्ड का मुझे मीनिंग पूछना था, ये आपने लिखा हुआ है POURSUIVRE।
हाँ, पूर्स्वीव्र बच्चे, पूर्स्वीव्र, पूर्स्वीव्र इज टू, स्वीव्र इज टू फॉलो करना एंड पूर्स्वीव्र आल्सो टू फॉलो करना। बिकॉज़ लैंग्वेज में क्या है ना टीम, इन फ्रेंच बेसिकली इन योर हायर पैटर्न ऑफ टाइप इज अ वेरी गुड पैटर्न जो आपने क्लियर करना है विद द B2 बैंड। रिपीटिशन मत करना, इसी रीजन से मैं आपको डे 1 से वोकैब करवाता हूँ। क्लियर? डे 1 से हम सिनोनिम पिक करेंगे, रिपीटिशन मत करना। रिपीटिशन नहीं करोगे, उसके सिनोनिम यूज करोगे, यू विल गेट C1 बैंड आल्सो। B2 चाहिए आप C1 ले सकते हो, बट इफ यू हैव रिपीटिशन, यूरी के माइंड में एक थोड़ा सा इंपैक्ट जाता है कि इसके पास वोकैब नहीं है। इसी रीजन से टीम मैंने आपको वोकैबुलरीज, हम सिनोनिम्स कर रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोनेटिक्स। डेली बेसिस पे हम 3-4 सिनोनिम्स करेंगे टेफ के, और अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे मेरे 3 सिनोनिम्स भी लर्न करोगे ना, आप सोचो कि you will be yourself in the next 1 and 2 months. Clear? So today we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swivel, code swivel. 3 synonyms we have done. Follow synonyms, pick, 4, and ajute adicione. Say clear. Clear? Easy to understand. Comprendre. Understand. Comprendre. Team, practice करना please. Clear? रिकॉर्डिंग इसलिए दी जाती है टैफ की, बिकॉज आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो उसको रिकॉर्डिंग को चला के रखो। इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम? ओके ठीक है, चलो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ रिकॉर्डिंग, विल मीट यू टुमारो एट सेम टाइम, बाय, टेक केयर।
Okay.
Okay.